Okay, hello, Etorians. Today I'm trying to explain you what happened with the VIX or VXX. It's basically a instrument for trading the short-term volatility. And today there was a reverse split. It's like when you when I mean the VIX is basically the trend when you can basically see. Let me show you quickly. I mean, we go to the let's go to the 1 day chart, I think, or 1 week. Let's go to the 1 week. Okay, the split, the VIX, no, 1 day is it's basically going downwards, and during that downward trend, they don't want it to become too small, and usually when it's around $10, they usually do something. It's called reverse splitting. So when you had 4 shares, you you will give the 4 shares, and you're only gonna get 1 share. So it's called reverse split. So in that case, I mean, let's do it what actually happened. So first example, we check on the day before. Go quickly backwards. VIX here, VIX. So today, let me think. I think I have to check yesterday. Okay, usually previous close, you see right now 4736. Okay, so usually when you had divided by 4, so this was the previous close day. So when you had a share at this price, then you need to get you're gonna get you need 4 shares to get a full share. So right now you just have to multiply the price by 4, then you get the actual price. So right now that would be the price of the VIX. And when we basically add $1, I mean $1.08, then let me just check again. 4736 plus $1.08, then we should get the actual price. So you can see the previous date. I mean, the VIX just changed $1, and when we look in my trading, in my portfolio, you can see right now I have 2 positions on the VIX here. And actually, you see right now the position is minus 600% in a loss, which isn't actually possible, because actually it should have hit stop loss. I mean, right now you see the current position, the open position. So let's do the math. So right now the price of VIX, okay, the price of a VIX is currently 4,844, and then we divide it by 4. Then at the moment it's 12.11. Okay, so actually what actually should happen right now is, you right now see the opening position is here, 1150, and the best case, what should happen should right now, they will just multiply the open position by 4. So we have right now 11.50 times 4. Then the open position will be 4.6, and the open position 11.64 times 4, 4,696. So it will just basically adjust the open position, and then you calculate then the difference between the current and the open position, and then also they will adjust the stop loss, because actually here you should have seen the stop loss, take profit, but I mean, let's say, I mean, stop loss would be $16 times 4, and should be 64, and here 14.38 times 4, and also it should adjust. So this is what's going to happen with the VIX. I mean, the VIX itself, it has an reverse. It's called let me just find it. Okay, the reverse, the opposite of the VIX, it's the inverse volatility. It's here. Here, it's from Credit Suisse. It's called Credit Suisse velocity share daily inverse of the VIX short term. It's exactly the opposite. Right now here, you can basically see this one is just 2% down, and the other is 2% up. So it's always going exactly the opposite. So it's like so this one will always equal each other out. And at the moment, it's a bit a problem from eToro, because they haven't done the reverse splitting properly. Check if I can find VIX reverse. Okay, here. So today it was written VIX reverse split number 5. So it's the 5th time that's happened. And here we're gonna see what's gonna happen. So Barclay announced that it will reverse split 4-1 on the 5th time on August 23, and then for a security doom to decrease in value over time. The Barclay, I mean, it's Barclay that they actually doing this called reverse split. I mean the instrument is quite often traded, and it's usually like 800 to 1.5 billion. A couple of years, not bad for a product, has average annual loss since inception. So actually it always loses value, but it works. I mean, that's why I actually like shorting it. Okay, so let's see. I mean, it started at $100, and then here you can see right now here at this price, they decided to make a reverse split. So usually when it's around $10. So here they decide to make a reverse split. Here it's below $10. They made a reverse split. Here a reverse split. Here again reverse split, and here they was estimated. They announced the date, and then they just checked on the time when and that's how it happens. So here it's always splitting. So but you basically can see like it's going always down. You see, actually I don't see a problem in shorting the VIX, because it's a position where it keeps losing value. So so actually I like trading the product, because it's, if you short it you actually make money, but I mean the reverse split will just basically be readjusted. Let's see if I can find something else. Yeah. Okay, I think that's all for the video. If you have any questions, I mean, if you check on eToro itself, they will basically also tell that they are going to fix it. So you can read from Christian that they will fix it, and you don't have to open a ticket. So you just have to wait, and they will fix it. So thank you for watching, and if you have more questions, then just ask, and I'm trying to answer it.